Repair Guide 1 video, 28-foot barge, rotating gantry crane. This one's got a coffin box, store a full-size 1,000-pound hammer in there. Hatch, hydraulic spuds, which you just saw running. The aluminum gantry loaded with Pullmasters, PL5 freefall, PL5. We got a hydraulic rotating base. Customer provided a gas air compressor, run pneumatic hammer. We got the Repair Guide all aluminum hydraulic power pack with a Honda engine, 13 GPM, 2800 PSI. We got another Honda trash high pressure pump, we call it. Goes right through the floor, sucks through the floor, through the bottom of the boat to get all your fresh water, and then sends it back through into the smaller pipe, which in this case it runs all the way up the floor to the front. It comes out in front of the spud right there, the vein is cleaning. To the back again, got a 100-gallon internal potable water tank. Fill is right there in the floor, safely secured. Hit it. Got a vent, and on the side we got gasoline fill and 2 vents. Temporary gas can, a few things while we're testing it out. The controls. We got chargers, USB chargers, engine, all the electronics, all Coast Guard approved, heat shrunk, twin batteries, a mess of hydraulics that make everything happen. Second compartment, we have an exhaust fan, fuel pickups, extra fuel pump. All the safety stuff on top. Got a Yamaha all-in-one tack, does everything, fuel gauge. All the hydraulic control valves and handles. Got a couple gauges to put in place yet, but this barge is ready to go. Customer will be here tomorrow to pick it up. I know they're more than excited to get it. Been a long delay due to some damaged parts, and it's going to make them a lot of money. Secondary winch all the way up the line, 28-foot boom. Thanks for watching.